to draw Charlie Colorform step by step. Hey, what is going on everyone? So for the first step of drawing Charlie, we're going to begin by drawing the outline of the body, which will look similar to a square, but the right side will be a curved line. Now for this step, we're going to draw the arm and the hand. We're going to draw the arm on an angle, and we're going to draw the hand by using a simple circle. The hand that we draw will not be attached to the arm, so we're just going to have a little bit of distance between the two. And keep in mind that if I ever go too fast, feel free to pause the video so you have a moment or two to catch up. Now once we're all done drawing the arm and the hand, we're going to attach it to the body by drawing the right side of the body. Now for the next step, we're going to draw the outline of the head along with the hat of Charlie Colorform. We're going to begin by drawing a big triangular shape. Now Charlie has a circular face, so connected to the triangle right above, we're going to connect it to the body by using two curved lines. Now once we're all done drawing the outline of the head, the next step will be to draw the eyes. We'll first want to begin by drawing two circles. Keep in mind that the two circles that we draw should be similar to the same size. Now on the inside of each of the circles that we just drew, we're going to draw the inside of the eye. We're going to leave a small area that will be left white, with filling in the rest of the area completely black. Now on the hat, above each of the eyes, we're going to draw very small eyebrows that are both very curved. Well done! Now right beneath the eyes that we previously drew together, let's go ahead and draw the mouth by using a simple curved line. It will appear as if Charlie is smiling. So now we're going to draw the two buttons on the top of Charlie's shirt. We'll first draw a rectangular shape going up and down with two circles on the inside, one on top of the other. Now moving over a little bit to the right, we're going to draw the patch on Charlie's shirt that has a big C on the inside. Let's draw the second arm as well as hand on the left hand side of the body, which will appear to be pointing down. Now for the last step of drawing Charlie Colorform today, we're going to draw the legs as well as the shoes. The legs will be drawn by using shapes that look similar to squares, and the shoes will be drawn by using shapes that look similar to small circles. Thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. This is how to draw Charlie Colorform. If you enjoyed today's video, then be sure to give it a big like and share it with your friends. Also, we upload every single day, so if you're looking for a new drawing community, then you're in the right place. Great job today, and thanks for drawing with me. See you next time. Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.